Hey, what's going on, people? It's Toxic Swag King Richard here, and well, look what I got. Got a beer, you know. So, if you ever got beer, party, line it up. You know what we're doing right here. What shotgun this thing? You gotta tilt it. I use a key. This is the best way to puncture a hole. Put the key sideways, puncture the hole without spilling anything. You cut it a little bit. And this is what you want to do. You want to twist the key and go the other way with it. Make the hole a little bigger. Cut it open a little bit. And there you go. That's how you cut your hole. And you can use your fingers, make it a little wider and stuff. What if you're at a party trying to impress a chick or your friends? This is the way to do it. Nice and clean. I don't even spell the drop this video. Freaking, this is the proper way to shotgun a beer. Have the nice tilt. Yep, and you know the story. Count us down. 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Yep, look at that bad boy. Goes down like nothing. Goes down like water. Yep. Check it. Yep, empty. There you go. That's the video. That's how you shotgun a beer. Thanks for watching.